YouTube, this is Donna from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul. So this haul is the fault of Donna from Old Donna. My friend Donna texted us in a group text and said, look at this video, and it was Old Donna's video. And I had sent them an Instagram post a couple of months ago about this stuff that was at Dollar Tree, and we had been waiting on it. So I quickly ran to Dollar Tree. Boom. I only went to 2 of them. We had 3 like right near each other. One down one end of the road, one down the other end of the road. Literally 2 miles this way, 2 miles that way. And then one's like maybe 3.5 miles away. So I went to the one near me, and I got this, 2 of these, one for me and one for a giveaway on my Dollar Tree collab. And then I went to the other Dollar Tree, and I picked these up. Now, so Donna, thank you for sending me to the store. What I was gonna say. So FYI, before I get into this haul, if you purchase anything, I'm doing a Dollar Tree User Your Sticker collab, and I sent a goodie box away. I haven't sent one last month because I've been so mad waiting on the post office because my box never arrived and it got lost, so it never got to tie. And the post office said, even though it's priority mail, I had to have receipts of everything that I purchased that was inside of the box, and they had to have a picture of the receipt and the items in the box. So just FYI, make sure you take a pictures of everything you sent in your box, which I didn't. I just took it for granted. I just stuffed the box with a whole bunch of stuff and shipped it. So make sure you take pictures and make sure you have your receipt, because they said they needed both in order to refund my money. So even though it's insured up to $50, you don't automatically get your $50 back. So just FYI, I'm a little bitter, but they didn't come out. I'm mad because I had some handmade stuff in there and some dyes and stuff that, how am I going to get back? Anyway, I digress. Sorry. Let's get into this haul. So, I know Donna had the rose. Mine didn't have the rose. Mine just had the glitter iron-on transfers. So, they came in these 4 colors. So, you have your silver, which looks nice, doesn't it? Your gold, your blue, nice blue, and of course, my favorite color, red. They also had the rhinestone iron-ons for your t-shirts as well. They had them like a lion's face, a feather, a butterfly, and hearts, I think. Then we didn't have the small transfer rose, we just had the large transfer rose. I'm going to go to the other Dollar Tree tomorrow, and I'll see. But this is the 12 by 36, and if you do, I add on to in this video. This is this is Sunday, Resurrection Sunday, and this is the navy faux leather, and this is the black, and hopefully you can see this lighting. I know you probably can't tell in this lighting because I have the worst lighting. But that's 2 different colors, blue and black. And then they got like a sienna brown. And then this white. Now, they had, I thought it was a different one. I thought it was beige. But when I got close, I picked it up. But the inside, it looked like it was turned inside out. See, all of these have like, like alligator skin is what I'll call it for lack of a better term. But the one that I thought was beige was really off-white. It was the inside of this turned inside out. So there was a couple of those that were turned that way. And then when I poured it on the other side, you can see this. So, just be mindful of that. And my phone is ringing. Sorry, it's ringing through my laptop. Anyway, and then I picked up these 2. I needed some more stuff to organize my stuff in. But anyway, that is what I got. And if I get anything from the other one, I will add it on to the end of this video. If not, so I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning before I post it. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Run to your Dollar Tree. I'm still waiting on the pegboards. Alright, take care. Bye-bye. And I am here with the second part of my haul, but I'm adding this on the front end. Well, no, I'm adding it on the end. Anyway, so I did get some more. I went back. I just got another each one of these. I realized these are not vinyl. These are faux leather. And you can use this to cut out different things. So I went back and got some more. So anyway, here's what this. This is how long it is. You know, you can punch this, die cut it, for whatever you want to do. So, got you some sheets. And then, I think that, oh, and this is the only other thing I think I got from the Dollar Tree was just those little stars. And I got some Bible notes. This is a D, and it says, "And by his wounds we are healed," Isaiah 53:5. And then this one says, "I walk by faith, even when," I don't know what the rest of it, I can't, something, and that's 2 Corinthians, but anyway, they had a whole bunch of those. They had the prayer cards out again, and I got those beads, some more of those. I already have some, and some floral wire. And you can see the thickness on that, or thinness on it. And then I got another one of these piercing tools and palette sets. So that was it for the Dollar Tree. Went to Ollie's. Didn't get much. I did get these Rose Art crayons for 79 cents. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I get some crayons I can really color, because I swear the ones I have, the Crayola ones, they're just not coloring. Oh, that's like a color better. Yep, good. They color like regular crayons. And this is a 24 pack. I don't know why, but it's just make some of my crayons are not color. Does that make any sense? I know it doesn't, but hard to explain. But anyway, so I got those 24 packs, 79 cents. I got another one of these magnetic dry eraser with the 4 different colors, and then some division cards for my grandson. But this, they also had the chalk markers and stuff, but they had these chalk pencils. I hadn't seen those. So you got them in 6 different colors, and you can sharpen them, and it works like a real pencil. But they're chalk base. So I thought I'd try that out. It says wash with warm water and mouth soap. Chalk can be messy. So that was $1.29. I thought I'd just try it out for that price. So anyway, that is my haul, and that should be the end of this haul. So anyway, thanks for liking it. Oh, and that. These I did get. I was out of town, and I was going to the airport and I stopped past the Hobby Lobby. Didn't really. They had a lot more dives than the Hobby Lobby by my house. This was one that was 90 minutes away, but I was able to stop. And this one thing I got was the scribe pens. So I just got 2 of the steel scribe pen sets. That was it. I didn't get anything else. They didn't have anything really on clearance as well either. They did have a sale, but it was nothing I was pressing to get, so I just got 2 of those. So that is my haul. So thank you guys. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And also check out my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. Take care, God bless, and I dare you to be creative.